Hey there, and welcome to the Rustlings course as promised. So, what is Rustlings? It's basically an interactive program to learn Rust. You will have exercises where programs won't compile, and you have to find the problem. You have to make some changes or additions and tweaks to make it compile. I will show you in a second what I mean exactly. And Rustlings is just a fantastic course. Thank you so much to the guys who made that course happen. It's really great for learning, and I've made it sometimes, various times, and I like to just review it from time to time. And here I am, and I thought, why not making a video and share it with you guys? So that's the whole idea of this course. Um, so the first thing to get started is you have to actually install Rust. If you don't have it already, go to the Rust homepage, click install, and you will find the command over here, and you can just copy it, paste it in the terminal, and you should basically run it, and it will download and install everything you will need. But I have already installed Rust, so I won't do that right now. That's the first thing. The second thing is I will try to make a lot of references to the Rust book, because it's highly recommended that you read it. There is a lot of great stuff in there. They have great examples. It's written in an easy language everybody should understand. And they have some anecdotes and stuff, and from other languages also they compare sometimes. So it's a great read. If you haven't read it, just try it out. And so Rustlings, as I said, is the actual course we will do here. So to get started, you will need to install it. So if you're on a Unix based system, you will run this command right here. If you're on Windows, you will have to use PowerShell and execute this command. As I'm in a Unix based system, I'm on GNU Linux, I will just copy that. I will open a new terminal, and I think I will put it in my downloads folder. Okay, so just paste it here, this command, hit enter, and it should install everything you need. By the way, there is also a browser based Rustlings, but I don't know, I've never tried it, and I don't plan to. It's on replit.com. You can check it out if you want, but I prefer working from the terminal. So we are finished. We can close this window here, and basically what you will find is a folder, Rustlings, and I will cd into that. Here we are, and just to show you guys what's in it, I will open it with file manager. So you have some folders over here. The most stuff is actually not that important for us. What is indeed important is the folder exercises, and here this stuff we will actually be doing. These are the exercises we will solve. So yeah, first things first, we will start Rustlings by typing in just Rustlings. and you will have a welcome message. And here um, there are some tips and guides for the first start. Now, it's recommended that you start Rustlings in watch mode, and that's what we will be doing, because you can manually solve the exercises in whatever order you like, but there is also Rustlings in watch mode, and watch mode is basically a um, it's basically a guide from Rustlings itself, so it has a fixed order and everything will compile automatically, so that's pretty nice. I will show you right now what's that like. So we just run Rustlings, watch, and here we are actually in the first exercise, and you can see here successfully run exercises intro 1 rs. So this code is compiling because there is not a problem in it. Maybe for your informations, there are some commands in here, so if you are stuck on an exercise, you can type hint and it will show you what you will have to do. There is it's not a solution, but it will give you some basic hints, that maybe you will try it out and you can solve it after reading the hint. And yeah, so what we'll be doing is open a new terminal, and I like doing it like that. So I have two terminals open. One is compiling automatically, and in the other one we will solve the exercises. I will do it over here, and I will open the file manager. Of course, maybe I should show you, if you're working in VS Code, you can do it like that. You can open the folder, downloads, Rustlings, exercises, like that, and it also should compile everything automatically. You can here start a terminal, and then you can run Rustlings. You have to be in the Rustlings folder, Rustlings watch, and for example, exercises intro 1. So exercises intro 1, and what we have to do is just delete this, and you can save the file, and it should run the next one. Did you see? So this is how you will work in VS Code. Now there is the second one, and you can go to the second and then solve that, but I'm not working in VS Code. I am doing that stuff right in here in the terminal. So the second one, the first one we have now solved in VS Code. It's just the command we had to delete. So the second one, downloads, Rustlings, exercises, and intro 2. So this is basically the first one. So the other one was not really an exercise, but just that you had an idea of how we do. Now the first exercise, and I will just start with the intro ones. Compiling, please try again. one positional argument in format string, but no arguments were given. So what was happening here is that we basically wanted have here this format string, but we did not give any argument on what will be inside this formatted string. So make the code print a greeting to the world. So basically it's like in every language you will just type hello, and the argument will be hello world. So the argument will be world, and it will, or it should then print hello world. So if we save that file, as you can see in a minute, it will compile automatically. I will save it, and it compiles. Successfully run exercise intro 2. The code is compiling, and here you see the output hello world. And after you've finished an exercise, you have to uncomment this I am not done. So you go up down, you delete this, save the file again, and you will be able to go to the next one. So the next one is of topics variables, but I will make another video for that, and I hope you find it not too confusing, but it's actually pretty straightforward, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.